Today, I'll cover my online success coaching review. This is a system created by John Thornhill. He's a very well-known digital marketer, and I'm going to talk about what you'll see as a member and then also all the different things that I'm going to cover in my review here. And if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to get access to the lowest price possible for this system, as well as a lot of premium bonuses that can help accelerate your business to achieve success. So this is something that I've been thinking about getting for probably about a month plus now. John is someone that I've been looking up to for well over a decade now. And I followed him since he was on eBay many, many years ago. He was one of the top power sellers, and then he transitioned to building an online business, built up a lot of success as an information product marketer as well as an affiliate marketer. And so I've been following him again for many, many years. And then he sent me an email beginning of December and said, here's this new program and here's all the great benefits. But with Christmas and after Black Friday, I just had spent a lot of my funds on many other products before I knew about John's product. And I wish I actually invested in it earlier. But then I realized that a lot of the things that he's doing in this new program align with what I want to do, especially in 2025 and beyond. And that is AI powered information product creation. And so if you have not jumped on this bandwagon of using AI, then make sure that you are using it, because I believe, just my personal opinion, is that AI is going to be creating tons and tons of millionaires. And it's not just by itself, it's not a passive thing, it's something that you have to take action with. And I believe that what John has put together here is going to help you out. It's going to position you in a way that will allow you to create your own digital empire here and flourish. So that is your personal choice. I'm kind of jumping ahead, but that's what I envision for people that use this review. Go to the next step, learn the material. And so you might be wondering, what is this material? What are you talking about here? So here's I'm going to give you my background because that will give you insights into what you can gain from the system and the differences. So for people that know me, they know that I have stumbled and done many things online. And for most of my digital marketing career, I've been an affiliate marketer. Before that, I was just getting clicks through websites that were pushing AdSense ads. So you might have heard of AdSense before, have built up hundreds and hundreds of websites. And I was just a niche site marketer. And to me, niche sites are just a very simple way to build a business. But to me, no matter what anyone says, because you're not really building up authority with real people besides Google and the engineers that check out your website, I would say it's very tough with the methods that have been taught by many of these niche site marketers. And so what I'm here to say is that if you want to build a business online, I think building up your authority with people is extremely, extremely crucial. And this will help you even promote your affiliate programs. So if you've known me, you know that I promote a lot of high ticket programs. And high ticket programs, there was actually a question on Quora earlier today that asked, does this program convert? And I answered it. I said, this program does convert, but it really depends on how you promote it. Many of these programs that are out there, they do not sell well if you're just putting links out there. You have to position them and yourself, especially in the high ticket realm, in a very special way. So one of the big strategies to do that a lot of people aren't talking about is generating leads beyond the typical traffic methods. You might have heard about getting traffic through social media, through SEO, through paid ads. So many different platforms out there, whether they're video-based, text-based, but the method I'm talking about here is different. The whole idea here that I'm trying to sell to you is getting traffic, generating leads by building your own products. And if you look at the leaderboards on a lot of platforms, you'll realize that many of these people are not just plain old affiliate marketers, they are product creators. So keep that in mind. That's actually kind of like an advanced mindset kind of thing. A lot of people know it, but they just don't do it, especially people that are just focused on affiliate marketing because they just think they could just send traffic to a link and make money. That is doable, but your success will magnify once you start selling products. So in this program, you'll be able to get, of course, John's new training that is AI powered, and you'll be able to get the tools, the AI tools. There's 27 of them. You'll get live coaching calls. You'll be able to ask your questions. And if you can't attend those calls, especially since John is in the UK, I'm here in Silicon Valley. It's pretty early for me, and I may not be able to attend all calls. But the thing is that you have a community, and I'll talk about that soon. And you have access to replays, so that's very crucial. And you have lifetime access for a single fee. And if I haven't mentioned it yet, by joining at this very early phase of this program, you'll be able to get one of the biggest discounts ever in the history of this program. So keep that in mind. So we've talked about this masterclass. That's the main training content. It's 5 phases, and it will show you everything from the very beginning. Even if you're a complete beginner, have no clue what type of product to create, how to position that offer, even though you have never ever created a product or made money in your entire life online. And then you'll be able to get traffic. And so that is huge because he's going to show you how to get traffic in a very simplistic manner without breaking the bank. And a lot of the courses that I've seen out there are saying build your funnel and promote it on Facebook. That's not what John's about. So you'll be able to get access to 27 innovative AI tools. That's from Randy Smith. Randy Smith has been with John since the early stages of John's business life. And John was a factory worker. If you don't know his story, I believe he worked in a car factory. And then Randy Smith came from the offline world. He was doing sales, kind of like if you think about like high ticket sales, pretty much selling stuff that costs more than most of the things that you purchase online. And so he had a lot of sales background and ended up doing well after he connected with John. And then John taught him the ropes and he was able to build a business from there. And now Randy's offering his 27 AI tools. And this is pretty cool. If you have never seen Randy's AI funnel software before, pretty much you put an idea and it's kind of like, it kind of reminds me of AI agents where everything is kind of pre-programmed and interconnected with different agent having its own task. And so pretty much you put in the idea and it'll be able to create the sales letter, it'll be able to create the emails, it'll be able to create the social media content, all from a single submission. And I am very, very good in AI. I'm using this system called Poe.com, and I use it heavily. And I was telling my sister over the weekend that I maxed out my account. I'm paying for it. I have a premium membership, and I maxed it out because I use it hardcore together with OpenAI and Claude's API. So if you know anything about that, it's pretty technical, but I maxed out my account, and that's the paid membership. It's kind of like ChatGPT, but yeah, I maxed that out. So just letting you know that there are so many tools out there, but Randy's tools help simplify the process for you. So you have access to community support. You have access to these coaching sessions, but again, if you can't if you cannot attend, you get the replays, and you're able to ask questions. You're able to collaborate. You're able to network. And this is awesome because you're not in this business alone. People can help you out. John's team can help you out if you have any questions. And it's not just John, it's not just Randy. They have a team that can help you out. And then if you are thinking, gosh, I'm not really sure this is going to work for me. Well, there is a money back guarantee. Just once you visit the website, it'll tell you all the terms. But this is a ClickBank offer. So ClickBank has this rule that says that they must have a money back guarantee according to ClickBank's rules. And so you have that peace of mind. And refunds on ClickBank are easier than just dealing with one-to-one, with people that are running their private affiliate programs. ClickBank is extremely easy. But of course, you want to be serious. You don't want to be the kind of person that just returns everything. You want to be the kind of person that is very serious with your intention to start up an online business. So once you've committed to that idea of building your own empire, then you just got to keep on moving forward. And there are some affiliate opportunities here. If you are an affiliate marketer like myself, this is something that could be of interest to you. You get the JV offer, you could become an affiliate. But if you get the authorized partnership offer, then you're able to be a two-tier affiliate. And if you are into affiliate marketing, that's where if you have other customers or other people that want to become affiliates and then they end up profiting, then you get a commission split, even off of other people's sales. So that's pretty cool. That is something that you can get access to. It is not a default affiliate opportunity. It's something that you have to go for, and that is the authorized partnership. And then you'll be able to get my fast action bonuses. I'm going to show you something here. This is the front end once you enter the site. Of course, I'm not going to show you the content inside of it. But what I'm going to tell you is that I have a special report here. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. And that's going to have a special report, but I'm also going to talk to you about my bonuses and how you could access online success coaching at the lowest price. And my bonuses are premium. So if you need some additional help, especially with being able to sell, and you want to be able to sell in print or in videos, here's this Power Copy Club membership. This is a premium membership, silver grade membership that you can get access to. You'll learn a lot of things that John talks about and more. And then you'll be able to get access to my digital business accelerator. I was on a trip over the weekend and I was doing some stuff in the hotel and just using what I put together here in this digital business accelerator. And I can say that I have a whole bunch of different assets to promote this online success coaching system as an affiliate. You might have run into them. Besides my email list, videos, text content, I'm ranking for a wide variety of keywords. And so I will teach you how to do that. So stuff that works in 2025 and will continue to work. This is something that's special, something that I put together. And Paul Murphy's 24-hour ranking system, he's a 7-figure plus video expert. He's on YouTube, and he's going to be able to give you his system, his 24-hour ranking system. Learn how you could get content ranked in 24 hours. Unlimited private weekly coaching. This is a huge deal, especially if you want to go on YouTube. And 4-day Google ranking challenge. This is something that's special. And this is a membership that I have permission to give to you. And then you have the high ticket framework membership. This is something that's offered. A 7-figure super affiliate is providing you with training on how to rank in the search engines. And together with what I'm teaching you, you'll be able to rank 2025 and beyond. So these are very advanced SEO methods that are simplified. And then as an authorized partner, you'll be able to get access to the automated list profits membership program. This is something for authorized partners only that will allow you to get access to hundreds of lead magnets. And it's like using a whole bunch of different bait on a fishing pole. And you'll be able to get 2 brand new assets every single month. And if you have been online for some time, you'll realize how crucial this is, especially when you're list building. You need lead magnets and click magnets, all these different things. And I'm giving you this as an authorized partner only. this is a special membership. It's a premium membership that you'll have access to. And then along with all the stuff I'm giving you, you have access to me to ask me anything about what's working today. And then you have more. You have John's bonuses. These are the rapid digital assets, both his top selling book and some video bonus lessons, and then his rapid product creation workshop. This is a killer workshop that will augment this online success coaching program. It's going to be very helpful to help you launch your products very fast. And then for people that are interested in the affiliate side, I do have this business in a box. If you're on my list, you might have seen this. And this is going to be included in the description, but this will help you learn what it takes to earn up to this amount of money, over $1,397.75 per sale. And if you just want to go for the affiliate offer, this is the free route. If you want to learn how to build your own business faster than the affiliate route, in my opinion, go with this. Learn from the special report. And I'll put a link to this as well as this in my description, and check them out. Again, check out this John Thornhill Online Success Coaching Special Report to get to that next step of building your own info product empire. This is Charles Draven. Thanks for watching, and take care.